people in the house are under the age of 18 years old. Put your hands in the air. Right now, look around, everybody. This is our future. These are the kids. I want to make sure that each of these kids knows why we're here today, stepping towards a healthier lifestyle. Now, there's lots of things in our life and times that are replaceable.
Shut the fuck up.
Listen up, y'all. This is important. This is why we're here. We'll get it crunk in about 3 minutes. Alright, listen, there's lots of things in our lives that are replaceable. You can earn money, you can lose it, you can earn it back. You get fired from your job, you can get another job. If your friends start acting up, hey, you can make some new friends. But there's 2 things that you only get once. One is your family. You can't replace your family, so respect them, tell them you love them, and let them know they appreciate it. And the second thing is your health. You only get one shot at your health. You mess that up, you're not going to enjoy any of the other aspects of life. So that's why we're here today, to celebrate stepping towards a healthier lifestyle. Alright? So keep that in mind.